Hello, I'm in a 2020 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then over here is a coolant reservoir you can add to. And on the side you'll see like the max line, and the minimum line would be a ways below that. So you want it pretty close to this max, not completely full. There is supposed to be some air gap. This system works under pressure, and this liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want to work on the system if the vehicle's on and the vehicle's not cooled down. So make sure everything's cooled off and turned off before you do anything with this. That said, typically you want to use the same kind of coolant that you've been using in this, same color. Check your owner's manual or a good online source for the best for your particular make and model. But from here you just unscrew this cap, and then with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, fill as needed till you're on this max line. Then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And at this point, I would probably start the vehicle then, so this new coolant can circulate through the system. And then check around your engine bay, through all the lines, through the reservoir, around the radiator, and on the bottom of the car to see if there's any coolant leaks. So if you start to see puddling, to see if it's coolant versus like water condensation. Typically it'd have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.